So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with hope, Ho'oponopono, but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Oh God. Hmm. Let's see what we have for Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Cancer, honey. We have the Nine of Pentacles. So someone is seeing you as a very independent person and somebody who's doing their who is doing their own stuff and who is just loving their life and taking care of themselves. So someone is seeing you as a very uh, independent, very beautiful, sexy, happy-go-lucky person. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles as their feelings for you. We have the Eight of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Three of Swords. Wow. So you block them. They are feeling blocked by you. This person is feeling blocked by you. This person is feeling like talking to you because they broke your heart in some way at some point of time. And now they are heartbroken and now they are feeling like they should talk to you. It could be very much possible that this person broke your heart. They blocked you. They did something wrong with you. And now when you are doing well in your life, when you are enjoying your life to the fullest, now this person is feeling like coming back to you because now they are heartbroken. They are into pieces. It could be a Virgo that you're dealing with, not necessary, not mandatory. It could be because the major arcana is Hermit. Now, this is someone who is looking at you from a distance, and now the more they are looking at you, the more they are regretting their decision of leaving you if they are the one who did something wrong with you or breaking your heart. Now they're regretting like a big time whatever they did with you. Okay, because you are not giving any damn, giving any shit to them. You're moving forward, like doing your own thing, being happy go lucky, and they're not liking it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? The Magician, you are manifesting something here. Let me clarify what you are manifesting, what you are up to. Let's see the Magician. Let's clarify the Magician. We have the Page of Swords, the Emperor, and the Tower. Okay, honey, you are in this energy of keeping yourself at a distance from everything and everyone that's not serving your life purpose anymore. And one of your life purpose is to be with somebody who is going to be with you for the rest of your life, maybe. So you are in this energy of manifesting, this energy of sitting in your power, okay, not taking any kind of shit from anybody, being like an emperor and taking the charge of your life in your hands. You are manifesting this power and the strength and the courage to have a breakthrough in your life and to break free from everything and everyone that's not serving with your energies, that's not serving with you anymore. Yeah, that's not matching or vibing with your energies anymore. You want a breakthrough in your life, in your love and relationship area. You have gone through so much in your life, in your love life, Cancer. You are in this energy of, I am going to cut everybody and everything out of my life that's not matching with my vibes or my energies anymore, even if it is the closest person to my heart. If they're not vibing with my energies, matching with my goals, with my energies, goodbye. Okay, calm down your horses, honey. So you're manifesting this power and this strength and this energy to let go of people and situations and things that's not serving you energetically anymore. Let's see what this person wants. Lovers. This person wants you to make a choice. This person wants to make a choice, make a decision, and they want you also to make a choice in this situation, make a decision in this situation. Let me clarify. I think this person is still dealing with somebody else also, but they are regretting that decision of being with somebody else. Okay, my goodness. Let me clarify the Lovers here. See, the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Oh my goodness. See, Da, 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 da. This person wants to sort it out with you. Now this person wants to come towards you with a decision of, okay, can we sort it out with can we sort it out with each other, because I can't sleep at night thinking about the situation between me and you, the way it ended, the way everything happened. I want to sort it out with you. This person wants to sort it out with you, and they want to choose you over something else or someone else now when you are not interested in them anymore. It's like one person is having 0% interest in the other person here, and the other person is kind of dying to be with the other person here, dying to sort it out with the other person here. Take it how it resonates with you. But this is the story. They want you to unblock them, they want you to sort it out with them, and be with them, choose them. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? I don't know what is wrong with Mumbai people these days. They keep on playing loud music, don't even think about other people, they have work or something. I'm really pissed off right now. I myself is a Hindu, you know. I just and I what should I say? I respect every religion a lot, but it's over. Sometimes it's really, really over. They should understand that other people have lives as well. Anyway, so the thing is, from your side, from there, what do you want from this particular person or situation? It's like you just want to flip the page. You just want to get over this situation. Whatever happened, happened. You just want to flip the page, flip the energies, and want to go other way. You know, your way. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune. We have the Four of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups. You want to work on this energy of being upset about your love life all the time. You want to put in the effort and energy in going out of your comfort zone and start connecting with new people, new energies, new kind of experiences. Okay, you just want to flip the page from being upset about your love life all the time to this energy of, okay, let's get out of my comfort zone, let's have fun, let's start connecting with other people, other energies, and let's get out of my being silent and being with myself kind of energy only. Okay, so you are independent, working on yourself, taking care of yourself, your money, your job, your career. Plus now you want to get out of your comfort zone and start connecting with new people, new energies, with all of your heart and soul. Okay, okay, that's really cool. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 22nd of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation? Two of Wands. I do see you moving on, but waiting at the same time. It's like one foot in, one foot out of the situation, putting the situation on hold. You know, somebody putting the situation on hold, either you or them, or both of you waiting for something to happen, but nobody doing anything about it. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Queen of Cups. It's like carrying a lot of love for somebody, but not doing anything about it. Waiting for the love, either waiting for the love to go, you know, go away, or waiting for the person to show up so that you can do something about it. Oh my God, you still love this person, Cancer, don't you? Even if they did the worst thing with you, you still love this person, and you're waiting for something to happen in this direction, consciously or unconsciously. So I do see you feeling stuck in the same situation that you left behind, because you still care for them, you still love them, and you are still waiting for something to happen in this direction. I don't see anything happening, to be honest, in that direction, but you're waiting. Actually, both of you, but nobody is doing nothing about the situation. It's kind of two energies waiting for each other to do something about the situation, but doing nothing, because both of you know, even if you guys are going to do something about it, it's not going to lead to anything. So it's better to stay away, loving each other from a distance, sending energies to each other from a distance. So I don't see much happening physically. Energetically, yes, you guys are sending a lot of energies towards each other, energy exchange is happening, but nothing is moving in the physical. Yeah, but I do see no, new love also, new love or new love offers also coming towards you. Now if you're going to take it or not, take them or not, that's completely up to you. I do see new love offers, new love energies around you also. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Cancer. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Ten of Wands. You need to let go of certain things. Something is weighing you down still, some kind of anger, resentment, some kind of pain, something is still weighing you down, and you're not able to balance it within yourself. So to find your own inner balance, to find your own happiness, you need to let go of the stressful energies that you are still holding on to, whether they are from the past, whether they are recent happening, whether they are something that you're holding on to from a very, very long time now. like past experiences in your love and relationship area. Let's say you had a bad experience at the age of 16, you're still carrying the experience with you till the age of 30. You're like, oh my god, I had the similar experience at the age of 16. So until unless you're going to let go of the fear and the bad experience, you will not be able to open to new experiences fully. Okay, so basically you need to be open to new experiences fully without any kind of fear, without any kind of resentment or anger or this energy of, oh my god, I don't want to repeat the same cycle again. You never know until you are going to be fearless and go to the next person or next chapter without fear and with a full, like, heart full of love. Hmm? That's the only thing that's going to work out. Okay, a heart full of love and a fearless attitude. Okay, bring it on kind of attitude. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, god bless you, namaste.